Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Curious about how to download a Notion template in 2025? Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who loves to organize life digitally, mastering this process means you can instantly level up your workspace with layouts that save you time and keep you on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, add, and export your favorite Notion templates. So let's jump right in and make this super easy. First off, let's get started inside your Notion workspace. Take a look at the very top left corner. Now, you might notice several icons and options there, but what you're looking for is the one labeled More. Sometimes it just looks like an ellipsis or a drop-down arrow, depending on the version you have. Go ahead and click on that More option. This area is kind of like your backstage pass in Notion. It gives you access to extra features and settings that aren't immediately visible on your main dashboard. If you've never explored it before, don't worry. It's pretty intuitive once you get familiar. Inside the drop-down menu, you'll see a range of choices. Among them, look for the option that says Template. This is Notion's way of letting you browse and select from ready-made layouts designed for everything from task lists to reading journals and beyond. Select Template, and Notion will present a selection panel or a gallery of templates. Now, you can search through and preview the ones that catch your eye. Take your time here. Choosing the right template is a lot like picking out a new planner or notebook. You want something that really fits how you think and work. When you've found the template that ticks all the boxes for you, click on it to select. You'll usually see a brief preview or description so you know what you're getting. Once you're sure, click the Add button. Notion will then import that template into your workspace. Think of this step as moving a new piece of furniture into your office. It doesn't overwrite any of your existing content. It simply adds a new page or layout where you can build on top of the template's foundation. Next, let's talk about how to download that template onto your device. Find the three-dot icon. Notion uses this all over the app to represent more options, so it'll look familiar. This icon is usually located at the top right of the template page you just added. Click on these three dots and a menu will appear. You're looking for the Export option down the list. This part is pretty handy. Exporting lets you download the template in various file types, such as PDF, Markdown, or even HTML if you're feeling technical. Choose the format that works best for your needs. PDF is great for sharing with others or printing, while Markdown might be perfect for editing or backing up. Now, after you select your preferred file type, Notion may prompt you for a few settings, like whether you want to include subpages or comments. Double-check your selections to make sure you're capturing everything you want. Then click Export. Depending on your template size and your internet speed, this part might take a few moments, especially if the template is packed with lots of content. Don't worry if it seems slow. Just let Notion finish the download process. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded a Notion template. You can use it offline, share it with collaborators, or archive it for later. If any part felt tricky or you ran into something unexpected, just drop a question in the comments. I read every one, and I'm happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more hands-on guides. And, as always, let me know what templates or Notion features you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.